3 years ago, Track Trailer turned the camper trailer market on its ear when it released its Mate. Since then, around 60 Mates have been sold around Australia, and this is the very latest version, the Tour Mate. The Tour Mate is a fold-out camper, but like all track trailer products, it's a little different. First of all, it's got a unique hydraulic mechanism that allows the huge 2.6 by 2.1 metre tent to fold out effortlessly with one person. And it can carry a boat on the roof. These panniers are a new feature of the Tour Mate. Obviously offer you storage capacity. In this case, this one houses the power management system, a 105 amp hour deep cycle battery, a 130 watt inverter and a 15 amp battery charger. The thing that makes the Tour Mate different is its MC2 asymmetrical link independent suspension. This is a suspension system which was built for the Australian Army and is being tested on literally hundreds of T-vans, Mates and Topaz caravans by Track Trailer over the years. Up front, the Tour Mate's got all the usual Track Trailer smarts. DO35 coupling, great versatility off-road, a fold-up big jockey wheel, spare wheel of course, room for twin jerry cans on either side, plenty of stone protection. It's something you can take to the roughest place on earth. The tent on the Tour Mate's made of absolutely top quality Dyna-proof canvas. On this side you can zip on an additional family room or an ensuite. This crimson flash, it's a nice touch out in the bush. In most camper trailers, the kitchen's attached to the tailgate, so when you open the tailgate, the kitchen sort of sits out the back. In the case of the Tour Mate, it swings right around to the side, and that leaves space for this huge, full-length slide-out tray, which can carry 300 kilograms of luggage. The kitchen is a fairly modest but beautifully finished unit, twin gas burner, removable windshield with water plumbed in. One of the great things about the Tour Mate is the bedroom. Here we've got a queen size mattress, but you can have king size. You can actually have 3 singles across if you want to have a boys' weekend. This ladder cleverly folds up on top of the bed, and above the bed a vent for the tropical roof, so you can have fresh air circulating throughout the interior even while you're keeping the rain out. This breakfast bar in the Tour Mate's a bit of a track trailer thing. They brought it out with the T-van initially. This bench actually slides into a groove. Here's breakfast, here's the great outdoors, and it stores underneath the bed when not needed. As we've reviewed it here, the Tour Mate is not at the bottom end of the market. It's not cheap, around $36,000 with the boat rack attached. But most people come into Mate ownership at just over $14,000. Many of them buy a base Mate and then you keep adding options. And in this particular case, you can build a base Mate to a Tour Mate, or vice versa. You can take modules off this and go back and use your trailer for a whole range of things. Everything from a weekday workhorse to a weekender. In this configuration, this is designed to take a family away in comfort to a beautiful fishing spot somewhere in a place like this in the state forest. Overall, the new Tour Mate is a great addition to the soft floor camper market. But you can read all about it in the latest issue of Camper Trailer Australia, out now.